Well, hi there, pluckers. Ivysaur Fingers back with you again for hopefully another interesting lesson. This one is part 2 of my lessons on strange magic from the Electric Light Orchestra. Hopefully you've seen my lesson preview where I played through the song to show you what I'm about to show you, sort of thing, to break down. And there's also part 1, of course, which was purely about the intro. So I've split this song into 2 parts, and this is part 2, which is the rest of the song. Okay, so if you haven't checked out those, please do so before you set into part 2. But for those of you who've already done that, the intro finishes with this little double stop rundown on the top 2 strings. And then we're into verse 1. Verse 1 goes like this. You're sailing softly through the sun in a broken Stone Age dawn. You fly so high. Okay, that's verse 1, and it's the same for all the other verses in the song as well. Okay, so what we're doing for the verse, right, so basically apart from the last line, it bounces between 2 chords. A standard G chord, that I tend to play it like that myself, but it's a standard G chord, okay, that way or that way. Second chord is a G augmented. Now then, this was also used in the intro, but only a 3-string version. This is a 4-string version, okay. So first finger is 3rd fret of the top E string. Okay, and the second finger and third finger are playing the 4th fret of the 3rd string and the 2nd string, the G and the B string, and my pinky is playing the 5th fret of the D string, the 4th string, and we're only playing the top 4 strings. Okay, G augmented, we're not playing the 5th or 6th string. Okay, so I know it just bounces backwards and forwards on those two chords until we get to the very last part of the verse. Okay, so it's like you're sailing softly through the sun in a broken Stone Age dawn. You fly, here we go, so high. Very last word, high, on the first verse is a G6. As it is with all the other verses. So it's the last verse, the last word on the verse is a different chord, and it's a G6. So you go from the G augmented to a G6. Now, the way I'm playing it is like this. First finger, 3rd fret top E string. Second finger, 4th fret of the 3rd string, the G string. The 3rd finger is playing the 5th fret of the 4th string, D string, and my pinky is playing the 5th fret of the 2nd string, the B string. Okay, and again, this is only 4 downwards. I'm not playing the 5th string or the 6th string. Okay, so you go from that G augmented to the G6. Okay, so once again, slowly. You're sailing softly through the sun in a broken Stone Age dawn. You fly to the G6 now, so high. I get up. And then we're into the chorus. Okay, the chorus for the first 3 lines is D minor 7, which is like, if you like a simple way of doing it, it's like an F chord, standard F chord, but leave the 3rd finger off. So you've got an open 4th string. And also, if you'd like to play, you could play the 5th string as well. Just don't play the bottom E string, okay? 5 downwards or 4 downwards, whichever you like best. So, barring the top 2 strings with your 1st finger, 1st fret, and then the 2nd on the 3rd string with your 2nd finger, open 4th, open 5th. So that's your D minor 7th. The 2nd chord is an E minor, straightforward E minor. Okay, so it comes out of that fly so high, I get a strange magic. Oh, what a strange magic. Oh, it's a strange magic. Okay, so 3 lines of D minor 7th to E minor. Okay, then the next line is got a strange magic. So that's A minor. I've got a strange D7. That's a D7 standard. 4 down or 5 down again to a standard G chord, single stroke. It goes as I got a strange magic. Then we play a little riff. Okay, and that's 2 hits on the bottom E string of the G chord, 2nd fret on the 5th string, and 2 hits on the open D string. So you got nice and easy, yeah? So that's got a strange magic, got a minor, strange, D7, mag. Now, ick, when you get into that final magic, we do the first part of the intro again, just once, and then we're back into verse 2. Okay, so we got that. We do the chorus again. Get a strange magic. Oh, what a strange magic. Oh, it's a strange magic. Got a strange magic. Got a strange magic. Got it? You're straight into that intro on the final bit of the strange magic. It's exactly the same as the intro bit, okay? But you only play it once, okay? Once the way through. So that's that G to that partial G augmented to an E flat type chord, top 3 strings only, and that to E flat, flat 5, and back to E flat. Okay, same as you did on the intro. And then, so you play through that once, and then you're back into verse 2, and it plays exactly the same as verse 1. Okay, so it's like, you're walking meadows in my mind, making waves across my time. Oh no. Oh no. Got that chorus again. Strange magic. Oh, what a strange magic. Oh, it's a strange magic. Got a strange magic. Got a strange magic. Now, the only difference is that when you come out of the second chorus, you play the intro twice, and you do it again, okay? Okay. And then we go into verse 3, which plays exactly the same way as verse 1 and 2, with some different words. And then we go into another chorus, exactly the same as usual, okay? The only thing that's different at the end of chorus, that'd be chorus 3, okay, there's what we call the middle 8, if you like, or the bridge section, if you like. When you come out of that one, you've got a strange magic, got a strange magic, it's magic, it's magic. Right, so the middle section is really simple. It comes out of the chorus into the G. It's a strange magic. It's magic. It's magic. It's magic. So it's just G. It's magic to the G augmented, to the G6, back to the G augmented, and then you go straight into another 2 choruses. Strange magic. Just repeat the chorus twice, and finish it however you wish. Okay, I just tended to just do that riff, if you like, at the end with that. Okay, well, strange magic, got a strange magic, something like that, just to finish it off. Yeah. So there we have it, boys and girls. That's the whole thing. Once you've learnt a verse and a chorus, and that very simple middle bit, which is G, G augmented, G6, back to G augmented, and then you're straight into two end choruses, and you finish the song. Okay. The only thing I would add, there was an option in the chorus. I mean, I've kept it very straightforward, where I got a strange magic. Oh, what you can, if you like, try and put a little run in that, where it goes, I get a strange magic, oh, it goes like, oh, what just two notes, second on the fourth string, second on the fourth string to the first on the fourth string, and then back to the D minor seventh. So it goes, I get a strange magic, oh, what strange magic, oh, it's a, if you like that, play it. If you don't like it, leave it out and just play the chords. Okay, so it's like a little, I get a strange magic, oh, what a strange magic, oh, it's a strange, it's just on, it's like, oh, what and then oh, it, that sort of thing, strange, just leads into the chord quite nicely. Okay, so there you have it, boys and girls. That's my take on it. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you in the next lesson.